All right, so we just started this once, now we're starting it again, and tonight we're going to learn about cookies. And so a cookie, there's this document, GitHub, goes to 11, Golang Web Dev. And a cookie is something a server can store on the client's machine. And cookies are written by domains. Cookies are only sent by the browser to the domain which wrote them. They're only sent to the browser by the browser to the domain which wrote them. So if Coke.com puts a cookie on my machine, Pepsi can't get it. It only goes back to Coke.com. So how do we lose privacy with cookies? So here at Kandui Resorts, I come up here and I click on this deal. I just kind of want to look at the pictures of paradise and surfing and stars. That's amazing. I click on this deal here, and I come down to cookies in use. There's 31. And I don't know if I could expand this, but here are the cookies. And you can see that there are also cookies for DoubleClick, for Facebook, for Google. Then Kandui Villas is writing a cookie. And then there's a crazy cookie. I have no idea what that cookie's about. I was just seeing that on another website. But so these cookies here are cookies for marketing. And people who have websites say, Facebook, you could also write a cookie onto our page. And they allow Facebook, they put JavaScript code on their page, which allows Facebook to write a cookie when you come to this page. And Google puts JavaScript code on this page because the people of this website, look, my Google Assistant just fired. It heard Google. Because the people who built this website, like Google, right, put a cookie. And the reason the people who own this website allow Google and Facebook to put cookies here is because when they go to market at Google and Facebook then gets to track the activity of everything that gets done on this website, who came here, when they came, and they could say, look, do you want to market to the people who've been to your website in the last 30 days? Do you want to market to the people who started to check out but then stopped? And so you could gather all that data by allowing this. But then what that does is this gives Google and Facebook access, because pretty much all websites do this. And Google and Facebook now sees who goes to what websites, right? And so you as a user, they know you here, they know you have another site, right? They get to see what sites you go to. So that's kind of how you lose privacy. But the idea here is that you are, right, we're learning about cookies. And a cookie is a way for a server and a client to maintain state. And we'll talk more about that in the next video. So this is just like an introduction to cookies. Anybody have questions?